Hey guys, just wanted to reach out. A few weeks ago, I received my Phoenix in the mail, and I wanted to share a testimonial with all the guys out there who either are thinking about buying a Phoenix, are waiting for their Phoenix to arrive, or are just curious about the technology in general. So me being the ultimate skeptic, I was very skeptical of what the Phoenix said that it was going to do. I thought in my mind there was no way that you can spend thousands of dollars going to some of these specialized doctors, and that this device that's very reasonably priced is going to deliver those results. So like I said, just bought it just a few weeks ago. I'm just a couple treatments in. However, I've never had ED issues, but really I was after optimization. And just after 2 treatments, I can tell a world of difference. I thought my erection quality was good before, at least serviceable. Like I said, never had any issues, but I can tell you that it's 100% better. I didn't think that it could get that good, and it reminds me of when I was in my 20s, so it makes me feel like a much younger man again. And like I said, I was all about optimization, but I have no doubts that because of what it's done for me, that this thing delivers every single thing that it says it's going to be. So when it came in the mail, the packaging was really nice and neat. Customer service was on point. I would rate these guys A++. All the crew over at Launch Medical did a wonderful job fielding questions. Their internet site is wonderful to show you how the device works, how to utilize it on a regular basis. And there's just a world of information out there on the website that you can look for. But ultimately, I'm not being paid for this testimonial, but I want this to reach as many men as ultimately possible, because there is hope on the other side of those ED issues, or if you're just looking for optimization. But without reservation, I would recommend this product. I plan on being a repeat customer. After I put this thing through its paces and wear it out, I will be a customer for life. So I plan on buying this thing over and over again. But it's pretty heavy duty. I think it's got a long life ahead of it. I plan on using it regularly and making this part of my weekly, my monthly, my yearly routine from here on out. But no doubts whatsoever, this is going to completely revolutionize the industry. This is going to change the way that male self-esteem, that ED issues, that we remedy all of that. But like I said, without reservation, I recommend that everybody reach out, get one of these devices, start using it, transform your life today. Thanks a lot.